Hi everyone, Victoria here. For those of you that haven't met me, I'm the co-founder of Ballet Fitness Method, Sleep Technique. Also as a professional ballerina for 17 years, turned fitness pro, I love bringing you my ballet body shaping tips on a daily basis. Today though, I'm sat in the corner of my studio having a little break, which I rarely do, because I'm not bringing you a body shaping tip, I'm bringing you a hairstyling tip, a 3-step fail-safe tip to the perfect classical French roll in under a minute. It can't be done, I hear you say. Well, it can. All you need is a hairbrush. I love these tangle teasers, and some bobby pins, which you can buy at any Boots, Superdrug, chemist. And they come in various different thicknesses, depending on how your hair is, heavy or fine. I've gone for a medium one, as my hair's fairly medium to fine. Starting with a ponytail, simple as, can you draw your hair into a ponytail? And I'm going to turn the other way for you to see a little clearer how this goes. 3 steps. Here we go. So once you've drawn your hair into a ponytail, hold it firmly at the base and draw your top hand out to the end. We're going to switch them over. So drawing your top hand into the base of your ponytail as you elongate the bottom hand out to the top. From here, twist your top hand in once and twice as you feed the end of the ponytail down to the base. Let's try that one more time. So, ponytail. Draw the hand out away from your head and then switch them over. Top hand becomes your bottom hand becomes your top hand. Twist once, twist twice, and you already have the shape of your French roll. Now, all you're going to want to do is lock that shape in with some bobby pins. So taking your pin, you're going to feed a little bit of hair through the pin and then lock it back underneath the French roll to really secure it tightly. Securing the top is probably your second point. Pin goes through, locks underneath, secure the top shape. And then, of course, all the little straggly bits at the end, you're going to want to feed in at the bottom. So wrap them in to the French roll, tidy up the ends, finishing off that lovely line right down to the nape of your neck. Pin goes through, lock underneath, establishing that perfect shape, and take a couple of little extra pins to really tidy up the end. Now, I've taken my time on that, ladies, but it's a very quick method. Ponytail, fold in, twist, there you go. The perfect French roll, whether you're heading out for dinner or on stage. Take that one with you, ladies, and like and subscribe if you did. Put a little comment if you'd like to see more of these tips or what you're interested in knowing, and join us for some more body shaping tips later in the week. I'll see you soon. Take care.